Kisumu County, in partnership with the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, has become the first county to officially embrace the use of electric motorbikes in what is likely to become a revolution that may sweep the entire nation. With climate change being a key issue facing governments, the push is on to embrace clean energy solutions that have less environmental damage. Besides being environmentally friendly, the electric bodabodas will also curb noise pollution. The launch of the bikes was also done in 3 other locations. This development has taken place on the same day that car manufacturer Volvo has announced that it targets to have all its vehicles run on electric power by the year 2030.
In the morning we go walking and in the evening we go walking, but one of the most disturbing aspects of that walk is the tremendous noise pollution by motorbikes. In Kisumu, we are already working with UNEP to switch to electric motorcycles. Our county city inspectors will use electric motorcycles. We'll soon start assembling these motorcycles. I'm pleased to learn that the Kenya Power Company meter readers will also use these new types of two-wheelers.
We are now witnessing an unprecedented change. The world has started its switch to zero emissions electric mobility. There is no turning back, and this is the future. UNEP studies show that boda drivers can more than double their income if they make the switch. Electric motorcycles can also be built and assembled locally, hence creating green jobs